Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Armani Exchange watch review. We're looking at the AX2435 one today. Before we actually look at the watch though, we're going to briefly look at the box. So the Armani Exchange box is a simple sort of unbranded outside cardboard sort of overlay. And inside, let's have a look. Got a simple black sort of matte finish, slightly cushioned box with that AX engraved in the actual top of the box. Fairly standard for a box and not too heavy in weight. Simple cardboard sock just to hold that watch in place when we actually unbox it. So here we go guys, this is the Armani Exchange AX2435. Move some of this packaging. Watch retails at around about £105. You can get this on Amazon on the try before you buy scheme if you're quick enough. Weighs around about 60 grams and has a case diameter of 46mm with a case thickness across here of 12mm. So it's a very sort of average size watch that we can find on the market. So just having a little look at the face here, we've got no luminous sort of essences to any of the hands or the backing of the face. The face is a pure white. Actually, it's my mistake, the hands are luminous. So the you've got fully luminous hands and a white backplate to go, with just a little blue second hand there, just to add a bit of contrast to the colour of the watch. I like this watch particularly because the second hand seems to line up with the increments as it goes around the watch. Some of them bounce sort of just off or just in between. This one appears to be going right on the markers, which is excellent. We've got our Armani Exchange text going all the way around, all the way along the cross there, in a black and white sort of theme. And as you can see, we've got a chronograph function as well. The chronograph functions operate by two stainless steel matte finish buttons on the side. You have a 24-hour readout, you have a date, and you have a stopwatch. A very, very decent clicking down mechanism to that chronograph movement. And a simple wind back function. Some watches, they can have a snap back function. This one's got a winding back chronograph function. Excellent. Good bit of quality there to the overall watch. Look at the casing. We've got a resin style bezel on top of a metal with a black matte finish. Oh, sorry, black line finish stainless steel casing, with a non-rotational bezel with a flat flat mineral glass topping to it. Looking at the crown, let's have a little look. You've obviously got a date dial in that bottom right hand corner. A decent movement to moving the hands around with the crown. And a nice clicking mechanism to the actual date dial. The crown seems to be a good quality one, as you might expect from paying over £100. You should expect some sort of idea of quality. So come around the back, we've got a sunrise style mirror finish backplate with that AX Armani Exchange engraved in the back, with a waterproof quota of 5 atmospheres. Connecting down to a silicone / rubber strap. You've got a double-ended pop pins in here that connect to the strap. No easy access feature offered. Connecting down to a pure white Armani Exchange single window system with a sporty line finish on the side, with that Armani imprinted in the actual strap there. Looking at the clasp, you've got a Armani Exchange engraved AX matte finish stainless steel clasp, with that printing on the back as well. So there we go guys, that is the Armani Exchange Chronograph AX2435.